Hi guys, and welcome back to Buy Direct Online. Today we're going to just run over quickly the saddle stool, the small gas lift saddle stool, which has been extremely popular. We've sold thousands of these across Australia, and just recently we've sold 1,000 online as well, over 1,000. They've been really going well, used in many applications, from home use to obviously commercial work. So you've got medical sector, dentists, they get used a lot in hair salons. Just going to open the box here. Quite a small compact box, makes it great for shipping quickly around Australia. I've got some instructions, quite well packed. The saddle seat, and we've got our base, casters, there's the cover, and then the gas lift. So we'll just pop it over here. You've obviously got some instructions that you can go by, but hopefully this video will help in the assembly of this little saddle stool and make it easier and give you more confidence in how to put it together. So we'll just unwrap each of these items. So there we have your saddle stool seat. As you can see, the mechanism is attached already to the seat, so there's actually no tools required for this assembly. So I typically would start with the base, and here we've got the casters, and they go straight in. So if you put this on the ground like this, and then you can press down on the casters, just lock them into place. They're just a little circlip, clips in, so they're easy to remove if you need to put glides on there, or a different type of caster, perhaps for use on concrete, anti-static, friction casters. There's a whole range of casters that can go on there. So there's your little base with a ring, little foot ring. It's really well made too, nice and solid. You've got all welded here, and it's a good construction. And then we've got the gas lift, which just goes straight in the middle. Now that's a tapered fit. Okay, so that gas lift will just go in and wedge in over time, and the weight that's sitting on there. Got a small cap here that goes over and just covers the welds there. And then you've got your seat, obviously lining up the mechanism with the top of the gas lift. Put your seat on. You can just lean on it or sit on it, and that'll just lock it into position there for you. You can see there's probably needs a little bit more weight. There we go. And then you've got your little gas lift high adjustable stool. So yeah, you can sit and put your feet on it, and obviously adjust it up and down quite easily. So hopefully this video helps explain and show the little gas lift stool and how easy it is to assemble, and will give you confidence in the purchase of this product, knowing how it goes together. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.